Hello, and welcome to our video on birds as pets. Today, we're going to be talking about why birds make great companions and how to properly care for them. Whether you're a first-time pet owner or an experienced bird enthusiast, we're here to provide you with the information you need to give your feathered friend the best life possible. The joy of keeping a bird as a companion. Birds have been kept as pets for centuries and have been admired for their beauty and intelligence. They can make great companions and can even mimic human speech and songs. Some of the most popular pet bird species include parakeets, cockatiels, and African gray parrots. These birds are known for their playful and friendly nature and make great pets for both experienced bird owners and first-time pet owners. However, it's important to remember that each species has unique needs and characteristics, so it's best to research the specific needs of the bird you're interested in before bringing it home. Caring for pet birds. Proper housing, diet, and healthcare are essential for the well-being of pet birds. Birds need a cage that is large enough for them to move freely, and the cage should be cleaned regularly. A general rule of thumb is to ensure that the cage is at least 4 times the wingspan of the bird. This means that a parakeet, which has a wingspan of about 18 inches, should have a cage that is at least 72 inches long. Diet is also important for pet birds. They need a diet that is high in protein and vitamins, such as seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Some species may also require specific diets, such as a diet high in fruits and vegetables for parakeets. A formulated diet, such as a pellet or extruded diet, should also be provided. Regular checkups with an avian veterinarian are also important to ensure that your bird is healthy. These checkups should include regular blood tests, physical exams, and fecal exams to check for any parasites. Training and socialization. Training and socialization are important for pet birds, as it can improve the bond between the bird and its owner. Positive reinforcement and clicker training are effective methods for training pet birds. These methods involve rewarding the bird for good behavior, such as coming to a perch or speaking a word. Training can include behaviors such as step up, target training, and tricks like speaking, playing fetch, and more. Socialization is also important for pet birds. Birds need to be exposed to different people, sounds, and environments to help them become well-adjusted pets. This can include inviting friends and family over to visit, and taking your bird on trips outside of the home. Common misconceptions about pet birds. One common misconception about pet birds is that they are low-maintenance pets. However, pet birds need proper care and attention just like any other pet. They require daily attention, proper diet, and regular veterinary care, just like any other pet. Another misconception is that pet birds should be kept in small cages. Birds need a cage that is large enough for them to move freely. A cage that is too small can lead to behavioral and health problems. It's important to research and learn about the specific needs of different bird species before bringing one home as a pet. Some species are more suitable for families with young children, while others may be better for older adults or people who live alone. In conclusion, birds make great companions and can be a wonderful addition to any household. With proper care, training, and socialization, they can thrive and bring joy to their owners for many years. Remember to research the specific needs of the bird you're interested in, and make sure you're prepared to provide proper housing, diet, and health care. And, don't forget the importance of regular checkups with an avian veterinarian and socialization. However, it's important to remember that birds are not for everyone. They require a significant time and financial commitment, so make sure you're ready for that before you bring a bird home. If you're ready for the commitment and are willing to provide your feathered friend with the best life possible, then a bird can be a great pet for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with pet birds, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos on pet care and animal welfare. The end.